the Iranian government, the Indian defense, and the Mythbusters. All coming up on Random Access Memory. The Indian Defense Research and Development Organization plans to create hand grenades packed with a payload of peppers. The goal is a non-lethal deterrent using an Indian pepper called Bhut Jolokia, which is 1,000 times hotter than your average culinary chili. What's next? Curry bombs?
Hello? The greatest iPhone case ever, according to Gizmodo, is shaped like a PlayStation and even features a dangling controller. Can we build the most incredible car ever? Yes, we can. The Obama-mobile. The car that the president goes around in has night vision cameras, pump-action shotguns, and tear gas cannons. The opening sequence of the new Transformers Revenge of the Fallen movie shows Autobots and Decepticons fighting it out in a shabby industrial city that's supposed to be Shanghai, China. The city, however, isn't clearly identified until a US military commander shouts something about all the damage done in Shanghai. But the Chinese government censors have garbled the word Shanghai in the version of the movie distributed in China. Why? Because a rundown industrial area, actually filmed in Pennsylvania, isn't quite the image the government wants the Chinese people to have of their premier city. Now here's something for all the Apple worshippers out there. 5 out of 10 consumers on both the iPhone and iPod Touch devices use the mobile web more frequently than they read printed newspapers. Thunder! 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 Thundercats! Ho! If you want to be strong like Lino, get ready for your daily supplements.
Classic old-style glamour. The rich, velvety hues of an old-fashioned flash may soon be even more of a thing of the past. Dilip Krishnan and Robert Fergus, 2 students at New York University, are attempting to do away with the terrorizing blast of the paparazzi flash forever.
Modifying a flashbulb light to emit over a wider range of frequencies, excluding visible light, their method uses infrared and ultraviolet light to illuminate the subject. Although the results are effectively crisp, the frequency of light used resulted in a slightly morbid rendition of reality.
To rectify this problem with color balance, the technology incorporates color information from a second flash-free image taken right after the first.
Although the second image is blurry, the software used takes only the color information from the second image, giving a rather perfect image as a result.
Although a few lingering problems remain, scientists say that there are already many uses to which this technology can be applied. A new study shows that we could be eating our way to insanity. More specifically, the study shows that there may be neurotoxins present in our food. PDBEs, or polybrominated diphenyl ethers, are the chemical cousins of PCBs, the organic compounds that were used in coolants, transformers, electrical wiring, until they were banned throughout the world in the 70s due to their adverse effect on the environment.
Around the same time, PDBEs started to gain popularity as flame retardants and now appear in almost every plastic-containing household product. One of the things shown in the study that was based on a sample of 2,000 people is that PDBE levels were 25% higher in meat eaters than in vegetarians. Researchers from the team said that it was possible that the older PDBE-containing products were transported to landfills and entered the environment that way.
When PDBEs first started showing up in the environment in the 1990s, initial studies showed that low dosages caused brain damage in laboratory animals. At the same time, the highest levels of the substance were turning up in breast milk. The European Union banned 2 of the 3 most common PDBE combinations in 2004. In the US, however, apart from 3 states, no action has been taken. There isn't much these days that can't be explained by science. That's why it's truly baffling, or perhaps magical, depending on your point of view, of course, to see mysterious glowing clouds in the night sky. This is the phenomenon that has been spotted recently in some parts of North America and Europe, and is a very likely indicator of the severity of global warming.
Known as noctilucent clouds, they have previously been native to the polar regions of the Earth. Formed by water vapor that condenses and freezes at the boundary between our atmosphere and outer space, the clouds remain lit because they are so high that even when the sun has set for us, the light still reaches them.
Apart from their recent expansion towards the mid-latitude regions of the Earth, they have also become more frequent at the poles over the last 25 years. The big question, why, has been taken up by an ongoing NASA satellite mission.
According to the principal investigator, it's not hard to see that CO2 buildup at 50 miles above the surface would cause the temperature decrease.
Although he cautions that these results remain inconclusive, there is little doubt in anyone's mind that these majestic manifestations are the direct cause of human-triggered global warming. Hope you had wild fun with our camping gadgets and saw your temperature rise with the finale of the Summer Gaming Festival. See you next week.